Walking on Sunshine, NRG, A Divine Transformation, is the bold telling of author Cheryl Hill's quest for solace and understanding after her firstborn son, Tyler, passes away. She details her family's journey through loss, grief, and eventually finding spiritual healing through conscious awakening and after-death communications. Tyler lived each day to the fullest and brought love and light to his family. When he died, it left a permanent void in his mother's life. But soon after Tyler's death, Cheryl began to receive extraordinary messages that she was certain were coming from her son. These communications allowed her to feel comforted during the most trying time in her life. This is a story of life after death and evidence that love never dies, it only transforms. By opening her soul to the reader, Cheryl hopes to bring promise and hope to everyone grieving over the death of a loved one. Her tale will remind us all that our loved ones are never gone, for they live forever in the light.